Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to create a dice game using Visual Studio. So what you're going to want to do is go to Visual Studio, click on New Project, go to Visual C#, Console Application, and give it a name. And click on OK. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is to change the class name and name it Dice. Afterwards, here you're going to want to create a random class named private. So private random Randy. Okay, so after, inside the static void main, which is the main program, you're going to want to write the new object, which is dice, my dice equals new dice. And after you set the variables, which are going to be like the structure of the program. So first of all, you're going to take the new object class name, which is my dice, put a dot, and give the name of the new random object, which I'm going to call Randy here again, and call equals new random. Then I'm going to create a method called many_throws, which is going to be the part where the repetitive dice is being thrown. At the end, do not forget to add a console.read key. Okay, perfect. Now about the method many_throws. What we want is the user to be able to input the number of times that he wants the dice to be thrown. So at first, you're going to name the string input. And then you're going to name int for integer throws. Then write console.writeLine, and inside you're gonna input. You're gonna say, by the way, just add a /n for new line. How many times do you want to throw the dice? To allow the user to input the number of times that he would like to throw the dice, we do input equals console.readLine. Then the number of throws will be displayed by throws equals convert.to int 32. Open the bracket, and inside you're going to put the input, which is a string that is going to be converted. For this action to be repeated the number of times that we have inputted, you should do the loop, which is for, open the brackets, and you're going to write integer I equals 1, semicolon, and I, which is going to be inferior or equal to the number of throws that we have inputted. And you do I++, which is going to add 1. Inside the loop, you add console.writeLine and you display the results of your throws. The remaining part, you're going to want to create public int one throw. Inside of it, you're going to add return randy.next, and you're going to put 6. here, 6 here, and plus 1. So what does it mean here? There's going to be a random number chosen between 6 and 1. And it's going to return into this program here. Now that the coding is pretty much done, you're going to want to press on Shift, Control, and S, which is going to be Save All. And then you press on Control F5, which is going to run the program. Let's do it. Okay, here we are. So there you have it. So how many times do you want to throw the dice? So for example, I'm going to take like I'm going to do it 8 times. I press enter, and you have 8 rows, which are different. It's pretty sweet if you ask me. To a quick sum up, this part is about selecting the random number between 1 and 6, and this part is about displaying all the results. So thank you very much for listening to my tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it, and subscribe!